down here to Arbilot. It's a new location for me, and there's a waterfall. Don't know if you can hear that in the background. Let's go and check it out. There's a good spot just here, quite a good angle. I don't know if you can just see there in the water, there's like a log with a load of twigs and sticks kind of stuck on it. So I think we'll have to go up over there somewhere and get more of a front-on kind of view to the waterfall, but I'd be concerned about losing that bridge back there, obviously. So let's go and have a look at some other angles. So the camera's given me these settings. That's f11 and 15 seconds. It's really dark down in this little dip that we're in, and so naturally getting a long shutter speed. Add the polarizer to take the glare off the water, and we're getting 15 seconds, which is kind of long. With a waterfall, I'm happy with like 1, 2, 4 seconds, somewhere in that area. We could up the ISO to make that a bit faster, but there's no need really. I'm just shooting this with my D810, and I've got a 24 to 105, I think it is. The shot that's come in at 15 is quite good. So now it's about getting some variety, trying some different angles, maybe try a wider lens as well. So let's try and mix this up and see what else I can get. So I'm just doing a 20-second shot here with a wide angle lens. I've got a 16 to 35 on there. That's okay. I don't love the wide angle actually for the landscape. Definitely worth giving it a try sometimes to take in some of the foreground, especially in a tight little spot like this. Well, this is a great spot. Not too hard to get down to. It's a bit of a steep incline and it's quite muddy. Great spot just by the roadside really. So yeah, let's see how we get on with this back in Lightroom.